Now we're going to find the best unit price corresponding with the maximum profit from column B. So we want to do it automatically using Excel functions. So we can use two functions, index function and a match function, to figure out where the maximum profit occurs, and then for that position we can get the unit price. So first let's look at the index function and how that index function operates. So index function has three things. It has an array, a row number and a column number. So if you give an array and then within that array row number and column number, index function will go to that particular position and give you the value at that location. So here for the index function, the array is, we want the unit price. The array is this column A26 through A60. So array is A26 through A60. Now the row number, that's what we want. Okay, we have to figure out how to get that row number, and for that we're going to be using match. We'll come to that in just a second. Now the column number is, this array has only one column, so column number is 1. So the only thing that remains is to figure out the row number. So row number comes from this column. Wherever the maximum is, that is the row number at which we have to look up the price. So for that we have to use the match function. So match function has 3 inputs, and this gives you the position in the array. So there is a lookup value which is the maximum profit. The array is the corresponding cells in column B. Okay. So the lookup value is the maximum profit, which is in cell B20. Then the array is B26 through B60, B26 through B60. And then the match type, we have to give the match type. The match type is 0. That is, as you go down from the top, the very first time you hit the maximum value, and you stop, and that is the row number. So the match function will give you the row number, and that row number will go there. So the row number is given by the match function. So this is how we need to set up the best price. So here we go first, index. Okay, the first argument is the array. The second argument is match. And match has the lookup value first, which is B20. And then the array. Okay, array is the profits. And then the match type is 0. So that gives us the row number, and then the column number is 1, and that gives you the price corresponding with that profit. So that's our best price. So combination of index and match function gives you the unit price. Now let's prepare a chart of unit price and profit. So that will give us a graphical representation of the results that we have found. So with profit being on the y-axis to the right, so we can go straight to scatter plot. So that will give you the profit graph. So we have to do some formatting. So chart title is profit versus price. And x-axis is price, y-axis is profit. Now we can change the x-axis to go from 260 . to 600. I think